If you're new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, the red bell subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. You can see that all, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos about PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, you will be among the first to be notified.
So we want to look at how to identify if the data we have duplicates. Duplicate means a data appearing more than once. So if you look at this now, one way to do that is to highlight the data that we're interested in. Once we highlight it, we're going to go to conditional formatting, move to conditional formatting, highlight cells rule, move to duplicate values, and you can see that select the color you want to show the duplicate and you click on OK. Now if you look at this, we have all the duplicates to be and Jones and so on. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. I want to show you something. So we're going to copy it and paste it here. Then we're going to clear the formatting in this case so that I can use this to show you the difference between the different methods I want to use. So with this now, you can see these are the pink color, the light red pink color is the duplicated files. Now you know that sometimes somebody can be answering and Jones, two people, two persons, three persons can be answering the same name, but different degrees, different level of education, and different banks. So in that case, they are not duplicated, they are different individuals. But this method doesn't tell that, it just shows you that all of them are being duplicated severally. But you can see that this, if you go through it one by one, you can now identify that this person is having MSc Zenith Bank. So if you come here, the same Zenith Bank, so it's been duplicated. But these people and these ones are not duplicated. 7 people can have BSc, so they are not duplicated. You can see that. So but in this case, it doesn't consider that, it just identifies everything as duplicate. So with this, the next method I'm going to look at now. So I'm going to highlight this and clear the formatting. Going to clear the formatting, go to conditional formatting, clear. Okay, so I'm going to clear it. Once I've done that, so I want to use another method which is called it combining cells using the ampersand sign. So all I need to do is to use equals to and the ampersand sign. I want to combine it so that they will know that this person are one human being, one individual. So and this, then I hit on enter. You can see that it combines the whole cell together as one to show that this is one person, this is one person, not two people. So not two people. So we have this now, so we can drag it down to identify if this person is occurring twice in the data set. So I drag it down. I can get the formatting method. Okay, use my format painter. So if you don't know how to use the format painter, I've done a video on that, so you can click the link above to see that video and understand how to use the format painter. So I've done that, so I'm going to go up now and use the conditional formatting again to get the duplicated individual. So now I'm going to go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rule, duplicate value, click on duplicate values. I select the color I want. Okay, so with this now, click on OK. Now you can see that this person and Johnson and Weber are being duplicated. You can see that. So the next video I'm going to talk about how to delete these duplicate files. I'm going to show you 3 ways on how you can delete duplicate files, and also the difference between these 3 methods. So okay, so we can see that another method is, what if you have a huge column, you have plenty columns, will you keep on using and no? So you can actually use another function, a function called the text join. So equals to text join. So this join cell concatenates a list or range of text strings using a delimiter. Delimiter is just a separator that separates the cells. So we're going to use a separator. In this case, we're going to use a comma. Okay, once we've done that, Now it's going to ask you, do you want to ignore empty cell or include empty cell? Anyone you want. So you click on it and click on ignore empty cell. So once I've done that, then I'm going to come over to the cells. This is the first one. I want to combine these three. So once I've combined them, so I'm going to come over here and okay, close this parenthesis. And once I've closed it, I hit on what? Enter. So you can see that it's being combined now. You can see that it's being combined now. So we've combined it and I'm going to expand it now. We've combined it using a delimiter comma. You can see that. Okay, so we have to drag this down. If I drag this down now, you can see that. Okay, so I'm going to add a formatting. Okay, so I have add a formatting so that make it more beautiful. So we've done that. So I'm going to expand this, show you again. So if you have a huge data, a column, you can just simply use the test join to get it. So highlight cells rules, come to duplicate values, click on duplicate values and you select any color of your choice and you click on OK. So you can see that any of the method you use still shows that these people are being duplicated. So you can see that this is the best way, unless you are looking for just one, considering just one column. If you're considering just one column, like just this column, you want to get the duplicated names in this column. Maybe you want to consider the names, just the names. You can just go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, go to duplicate value, choose any color of your choice. In this case, you are good to go. But when you're considering different columns, you have to use the test join or the ampersand sign to get the actual people that are being duplicated. So in the next video, I'll talk about how to delete duplicate files. Thank you.